Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I just wanted to briefly talk about some of the Unity pricing structure so you can know how it's going to affect you long term. So, of course, free allows you to build pretty much any game that you want for iOS, for tvOS, Android, whatever it may be. But you can see some of the differences here between the plans, okay? One of the ones, of course, is the Pro Editor UI skin. You only get to use the light gray with the free version. If you want the cool dark gray version, there's one reason to upgrade, and it might be worth it just for that because it looks much better, in my opinion. And there's some other things here, such as performance reporting, flexible seat management. You can look at those things on your own if you need or want those features. You won't need those for the stuff we're doing in this course, and you may never need them at all. Unity certification courseware here, that is their official training program, and it's okay. This course is better, so that's a matter of debate, in my opinion. Asset kits, those are different asset kits you can get from the asset store. They give discount percentages on those. Anyway, interesting stuff. But here's what's really interesting is Unity Multiplayer. This is a cool new service that they offer. And so even with the free version, they allow up to 20 people to play multiplayer in your game. And I know what you're thinking, well, that's not enough. If I want to release the game, it absolutely is not enough. Neither are any of these plans here. That's just basically how many free seats you get for multiplayer, for beta testing and things like that. If you want to really get into a multiplayer game and use the Unity multiplayer services, which are awesome, okay, you can go to the unity3d.com/services/multiplayer, and you can see the pricing here. Okay, so you can basically determine what kind of game it is. Is it a turn-based game, slow action game? So if we were doing like a Call of Duty, we'd go to fast action game, and if we had 250,000 players, okay, in every single month, then it kind of gives us a calculation here. Your estimated cost for multiplayer is going to be about $2,300 a month, which actually, if you think about it here, 250,000 players playing a first-person shooter every single month. That's a very good price. You could rack up costs much higher than this easily on other online services and hosting and such. So really cool stuff. Of course, you're starting off your scaling, so if even if it is a fast action, you're probably not going to have that many. You're probably going to have less than 50,000 players. So anyway, something to consider. In any case, you have enough players where you can effectively test a game even with the free version here. And then once you do start making money, over $100,000 a year, okay, it's as cheap as $35 per month per seat. So that's for a license to use it on a computer. Okay, and so if it's just you, that's great, $35 a month. If there's two people on your team, that's $70 a month. Okay, makes sense. Easy math here. Great plan, super reasonable. Even with the pro plans, it's very reasonable if you want some of these extra features and such. So, and again, the other important thing is the splash screen right here. Okay, made with Unity splash screen before your game launches. So with the free version, it'll always say made with Unity. Okay. Not until you start paying money, $35 a month, do you get a version where you can put your own splash screen and it doesn't show the Unity 3D splash screen, and that's really important to some people. So anyway, some basic analysis of the different plans that are available to you. We'll start off with the free version. No need to move over here unless you want that really cool gray UI, in which case that would be pretty awesome. But that's it for now. Mark Price at devslopes.com. Moving on and forward.